Hey potato wedges, it's Alaceia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hiya! So as you can see by the title, we're going to be going over natural hair products. Well, hair products that I use, I've learned, and like things I've learned about my natural hair. Thing I've learned about my hair is that the front is more loose. I think I have combination hair where like the front is more loose. Like as you can see, like it's really like the front is more loose than like the back of my hair. It's not like tight, but I think I have like 3B, 3C, like a mix and a slight 4A hair. I find it easy to moisturize my hair. I think like it's so easy to retain moisture and to like stay soft. It's a whole new texture to me. I find it easy to do, but not really. I didn't think it would be this thick. That's the thing. Now I feel the feeling of like it's so fluffy. So the products I'm gonna be showing you is in this little pink little basket. Shea Moisture, Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. Of course, I use a spray bottle. Also to my curls, so you just spritz, water works. Sometimes I moisturize my scalp with raw shea butter, argan oil, Eco Styler gel. Lick up my hair with it and also define my curls with it, and it works. Plus. Cream of Nature Pure Honey Breakup and Breakage Leave-In Conditioner for dry and damaged hair. It's sulfate and mineral oil free. I use this to moisturize my scalp and stuff, or like before styling I'll use this, but I use this a lot. So Cream of Nature and Shea Moisture. This slick up brush, yep, this one's kind of clean. Kind of brush, you know, white tooth comb to like detangle the hair. It works, but not when your hair is dry. You have to wet your hair. From Kiss, the brand Kiss, it's like it has like a parting rat tail thingy majiggy. I have this brush for like slicking up and like keeping the hair intact. Soft one like this one. I have like the hard bristle one. I have like, you know, these clumps, these majiggers. My mom, they came in a set actually. I have this like cute little bow thing for when I'm washing my face or like doing something. I have it and it has like a little bow on it. It's over there. And then I use satin scrunchies because scrunchies that like dry up your hair, I don't like it because I can feel where it's dry. So satin scrunchies don't really suck up all the moisture in my hair. And then I have these clips, like just basic clips like this. I reorganize this stuff. And then I just use a hair dryer. Who want to just like do this with? Yeah, I use that for like when I'm drying my hair. The cream or stuff is not like drying. I want it to dry up because I don't have patience when it comes to like the drying part. So I just get that thing and I put it on cool setting or low heat cold setting, and I just like blow dry it real quick. Hurry up and dry it because I do not have patience and I don't like the water just and probably just dripping everywhere. Oh, no. That's it for today's video. I'll see you later on a spring break. Bye.